up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing this Ikki68 Aurora Stargaze edition from Wuque Studios. Let's take a quick look over here at the product page. The Ikki68 Aurora Stargaze doesn't have the price here, but it was $169. I'm sorry. I feel like people of all ages hear the number 69 and still chuckle a little bit. But so this board cost me $169 with shipping and taxes. It was delivered for $191.16 in US dollars. While we're looking at this product page, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you can catch all of the future content. So this board was a collaboration between Wuque Studio and Dandruff. Believe this may have been the first or second special edition Ikki68 that came out. There was only 500 total units. It's an injection molded polycarbonate case like the first one. It has a 800 kilogram weight unbuilt and an 1120 gram weight built with a 6.5 degree typing angle, gasket mounting, and unfortunately a hot swap PCB. It was only available in the Stargaze colorway, obviously. So let's go ahead and pop into this box and see what this board is like. For anyone that's been around checking out my content for a while or has been in my Twitch channel, you probably know I had a disaster of a time with my first Ikki68, as I just kept getting having problems with pretty much everything. Just about everything in my original kit had to be replaced. I believe the only thing that I still have on my first Ikki68 that came in the original box was the plate. The weight had misdrilled holes, a whole lot of stuff. The case, everything was fine once I finally got a replacement PCB and all of the stuff that needed to be replaced. New PCB, new weight, and I put the board away and I put it in the case and put it with the rest of my keyboards where I was keeping them at the time, and this was right before the winter. I believe what happened was once the temperature dropped, it caused extraction and expansion, and the case came very cracked. Luckily, I was able to get another case from Canon Keys. Of course, it had been a while, so I didn't expect them to give it to me for free. It would have been nice, but I did end up getting a replacement case for $30 if memory serves me correctly. So let's take a look at what we've got here. Looks like it came with stabilizers. I don't remember that being part of the thing, but hey, I'm not mad about it. So it looks like you've got color matched stabilizers here, which normally I'm not a big on color matching stuff. I just don't see the point. You've got stabilizer pads here. You've got the color matched blue and I guess you'd call that a cream stem inside. It looks like they gave you a lot of stabilizers. Hold on, how many stabilizers does this board need? What are these things? I have no idea what these little things are. I will have to do some research on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got 7 stabilizers. I believe this board only needs 4. So, hey, you've got plenty of extra ones. So if you happen to get the Stargaze keycap set and you're going to use it on something else, I guess you can color match stabilizers for that board, or at least most of the stabilizers. We've got a USB-C cable. Oh, it is also color matched as well. It's got that dark midnight blue that you see there on the stabilizers. As far as plate and PCB and further hardware, so for the plate here, we have got, I believe it's an aluminum plate if I recall correctly. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so it is a aluminum plate. Hopefully the color's getting caught there. It's not a black plate. It is a very dark blue plate. What have we got in here? Looks like they gave us a lot of gaskets, which is nice. Oh, we've got 2 different materials for gaskets. I don't believe that came with the original Ikki68. You've got a that one's like a silicone gasket and then a pour-on gasket. Let's see what else we've got in here. And here you've got your badge, bump-ons. Looks like they may have given some extra bump-ons. I don't recall if it took 6. We'll check that in a moment. Let's see. So in here we've got our screws, a couple extra hot swap sockets, a obligatory Allen key. You got 2 diodes and the little I don't know what you would call that, the little plate that fits behind the case between the LEDs, so you can either black it out, have a Wuque logo, or I believe, if I remember correctly, I didn't use that little plate just to let the LEDs shine through. Our PCB is a hot swap PCB. I did order a solder PCB for an Ikki68, so I'll probably be using that. I need to track down where I put it. I think it's over there in my stack of PCBs. I was going to build my socket tonight, and I found some anodization marks that are on the outside of the case, so I've decided I'm going to build this instead because I will likely be returning the socket for an exchange. So let's get this out of there. Whoa! So we've got silicone here. Looks like it is the same silicone molds for the previous Ikki68. It's got, you can take out the silicone to put in a battery if you were to use a wireless Bluetooth PCB, and you could take out this silicone insert for the weight. I would recommend not using the weight in the Ikki68, as I feel like that helped add to the stress that caused the cracks of my board. So it is that dark midnight blue plastic for the case. Then you've got these stars and shooting star logos here on the back. See if I can charge these up real quick. Hey Google, turn off the studio light. Hey Google, turn off the office light. So yeah, I don't think you can see it glows a little bit. Sorry, there's still a lot of light from the monitor, but as you can see, those are glow in the dark. Hey Google, turn on the studio light. This might blind you, sorry. So as you can see, they do glow in the dark. That was kind of what really drew me to this, even though I was unsatisfied with my original Ikki68. I was like, ooh, glow in the dark. Hey Google, turn on the office lights. So I kind of was like, you know, I'm a sucker for a gimmick, I guess. So yeah, so I copped it mainly because of that, as much as I hate to admit it. It has a lot to do with why one of my first builds that I ever did was an NK65 Bloomin'. I like a quirky gimmick, I guess. So this is the Ikki68 Aurora Stargaze edition. Yeah, so it does need 4 bump-ons. I love that they included 2 extras. Thank you so much, Wuque. I love that they included a ton of gaskets. I feel like a lot of board manufacturers aren't giving you extra gaskets, extra bump-ons, those things that, you know, you're probably going to need to replace. Especially a lot of people like to build their board multiple times. A lot of people will not put their gaskets on the case, they'll put them on the plate, and they're SOL if they want to try a different plate. So thanks out to Wuque for that for sure. Hopefully this is going to go much better than my previous Ikki68 build. I look forward to building it soon. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I will be uploading the build video here at some point. If you want to check out one of my builds live, that usually happens over on twitch.tv/Kirball every Wednesday night at 10 p.m. Eastern time. So thanks so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you back in the future. And most of all, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Thank you. Bye.